Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's the girl Nisha, and for today, well, if you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you as well. This video was a request by the Kem-Squad. Check out the Kem-Squad, of course. The link is going to be placed into the description box. Stay tuned, watch this entire video. Don't go anywhere and give me a feedback. So let's go straight into the video. It is very important, no matter what hairstyle you're wearing, you need to take great care of your hair. See a specialist every now and then. You can use those oils you see I put there: coconut oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil. On the right you're seeing that is our hair before, and on the left you're seeing our hair growth. Mango and lamb is a very phenomenal. I love the product. I remember back when I used to have lock hair. Now it is very important when you have locks to also check the scalp. A scalp check is very important just to see if there's any abrasion there, see if there's any, if you have eczema, dandruff, dry scalp. How is your scalp doing? How long does it take for you to retighten your locks? A minimum of the least should be no less than 4 weeks, nor no more over. You should see a professional. I know you might say, Nisha, I don't have the time to check my hair scalp. Ask someone to do it for you. You may be watching television or relaxing just a bit. Now I'm giving you there on the right a little note about low porosity. High porosity is coming up next. Now as you can see, that lady here on the left, she's taking full care of her hair. She's making sure that her scalp is clean. The shaft, which is the hair, you call the shaft. You might say, Nisha, what is the shaft? That is the hair that is on your head, okay? So yes, having locks, you still very much need hair maintenance. So don't just leave it there. You need to have your leave-in treatments. You need to do your deep condition treatment. You need to do a lot of things just as if relax the hair. Now just these, look at them. These are microfiber towels. Yes, I cannot say anymore on this. I'm tired of saying it. Stop use cotton. Cotton is not for the hair, it's for the skin. And you need to have sleep caps. Make sure they are satin fiber or silk fiber, not polyester. Only 2. And they are same for you male. You need to get your hair covered when you're going to your bed. You can see my lady there. These are people taking great care of their hair. It don't take a lot out of you. Just do the thing and try to do it right. You can read those notes, or you can ask me in a comment, why is it so important? It is very important because sleep cap leave in the moisture in your hair. Now this is a shout out to my people, yes, and also to this young lady who won, but she participated in our games night, and she won 10 hours of watch time and also a feature on my channel. Guys, go and check out Faithful D, the blessed one. Give her a like. Yes, subscribe to her channel, watch the video, leave a comment pertaining to the video. Go over there, watch a video. Yes, watch it out, no skipping, no fast forward, and leave a genuine comment pertaining to the video. Thank you, Faithful D, for participating. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.